Today we have a 2009 Subaru Forester in the shop here for the single CD player not working properly. We're going to go through the removal process and show you how to take this out of the car. We're going to start with our pry bar. And down at the very bottom of the panel, along the bottom, there are two little pry marks that are kind of difficult to find, but you can release the front panel. This panel releases several clips. The pry marks are here at the bottom and here at the bottom as well to help pry this out, but this has several connectors, or excuse me, several clips that go in around. Once they release with pry pressure, and will allow you to remove the front panel. This is going to access the car stereo. We have 4 mounting screws here, 2 on the right and 2 on the left. We have a full library of removal guides on our website at carstereoremoval.com. If you have any other needs for car stereo, please see our website. And we also have 2 screws on the left side of this car stereo. This is a simple removal. With all 4 of these screws removed, you will be able to grasp the front edge of the car stereo and pull it from the dash. This is going to give you access to many connectors. This is a Kenwood stereo in the Subaru. These connectors all have triggers on them, and releasing the trigger will remove the connectors. Alright, what we have here, the one wired connector is the antenna. That one plugs in back here into the dash here. We have the main connectors here. These connectors, looking closely at them, they have a little tab at the top of them. You push this tab down, it releases the lock, allows you to wiggle the connectors loose. These connectors are all keyed. They only fit back to one specific spot when reinstalling. This is how you remove the stereo from a 2009 Subaru Forester. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.